On the bumpy red dirt road deep in the forests of Honduras, a mighty Mack R600 is carrying a full load of wood, steadily yet powerfully navigating the treacherous curves. With a powerful engine boasting around 285 to 350 horsepower, the truck roars like a wild beast, its wheels leaving deep tracks on the muddy surface. Undeterred by sun or rain, and unafraid of challenging terrain, the Mack R600 stands as a resilient steel warrior for the forestry industry. Today we witnessed a spectacular performance. No mistakes, no negligence, only perfect technique, well-deserved praise for the master excavator operator who conquered the challenge. The unique amphibious vehicle in Rotterdam, Netherlands offers a wonderful experience for both adults and children. When it enters the water, it transforms into a boat, gliding smoothly and allowing visitors to take in the spectacular skyline of the city. A serious accident occurred when a truck suddenly lost control and overturned into a roadside field. The strong impact caused severe damage to the axle and wheels, leaving the vehicle immobile. Shortly after, a rescue team arrived, carefully using a specialized P&H crane to lift the truck back onto the road. But the work didn't stop there. The technicians promptly carried out on-site repairs to the damaged wheel. After a period of determined effort, the truck was successfully restored and able to drive normally again, standing as a testament to the team's perseverance and professional handling of the situation. A truck carrying scrap metal unfortunately overturned in the Kodak Hill area, located in Torgamba District, Labuso Regency, North Sumatra Province. Notably, the first evacuation attempt to rescue the truck lasted for 2 days and 1 night, but was unsuccessful, clearly highlighting the difficulties and dangers of the terrain in this area. It was only during the second rescue attempt, with the support of a Maju Jaya tow truck from Rantau Prapat, that the effort was truly successful. This incident serves as a reminder to exercise maximum caution when traveling on challenging roads, such as the North Sumatra Highway. The Hitachi ZX 110 MF excavator was stuck deep in the mud, almost helpless in the middle of the palm swamp. The flooded terrain made escape impossible. Immediately, another excavator was dispatched to the rescue. With skillful control skills, the driver began to dig the ground, using a bucket to gradually pull the stuck machine out of the swamp. Finally, with smooth coordination and persistent effort, the machine was successfully rescued. A typical case shows why you should always be vigilant, even if you have a lot of experience. When the hinge suddenly broke, a large tree trunk flew towards the lumberjack. His quick, accurate, and calm reflexes saved him from a serious accident. This case highlights that in dangerous jobs like logging, even a little complacency can be very costly. In a breathtaking moment at a railroad crossing in Austell, Georgia, a long tractor trailer was trying to cross the tracks when it was suddenly struck by a high-speed Norfolk Southern train. The impact caused the trailer to flip over, creating a horrific scene in the middle of town during the morning rush hour. The truck lost control and fell into a deep roadside ditch, dangerously overturning. Two rescue vehicles, Ace, Hydra, and Mercedes, worked together to lift it safely. The accident is a reminder for drivers to be cautious on narrow or complex terrain. Vehicles should be checked carefully before trips, and warning signs are added in hazardous areas. An accident has just occurred. The MG Hector is lying on its side in a low area by the road. The situation is quite serious, but fortunately, a specialized Hydra tow truck quickly arrived at the scene to carry out the rescue operation. The process of lifting the vehicle is not simple. It requires close coordination, proper force distribution, and careful calculations to ensure safety while avoiding further damage to the vehicle. A successful rescue thanks to the professionalism and precision of the rescue team. A serious waterway accident occurred in Hà Giang Province, Vietnam, when a barge traveling at high speed created large waves, capsized an overloaded brick carrying boat that was anchored. The incident warns of the lack of safety awareness in operating watercraft. It is necessary to follow the correct speed and not overload to avoid unfortunate accidents. The bus accident on January 2, 2018, on the mountain pass that injured 29 passengers, is a serious warning about traffic safety. The rescue work lasted 6 hours with the effective coordination of CAT 320D2 and Kobelco SK75 excavators, showing the spirit of urgent rescue. The vehicle owner has fully compensated for the damage. This is a reminder for transport units to periodically check the vehicle's technical performance, carefully train drivers, and prepare response plans when going through dangerous terrain. Rescuing a tractor trailer that fell into a ravine sounds challenging, but the reality is much more severe. The terrain is rugged, the space is narrow, Even the smallest mistake can lead to serious consequences. Here, skill is only a part of good coordination. Calculating every centimeter is the key factor. Looking at the way the rescue team works, we can clearly see that there is no room for haste. They are not only pulling the vehicle, they are fighting gravity, terrain, and human limits. The rescue of a double trailer that fell into a ravine at KM 201 of the BR 230 Trans-Amazonica route was a major challenge. The steep terrain and narrow space forced the rescue team to use dump trucks and excavators to remove the vehicle from the deep ravine. This is a testament to perseverance and effective coordination in harsh conditions. However, the incident is also an important reminder. When traveling on dangerous roads, always check your vehicle carefully and never be subjective. A scene that was no different from a battle between steel and nature. The giant excavator, weighing tens of tons, was now stuck deep in the mud, like a helpless hippopotamus lying in the swamp after a heavy rain. The crawler wheels spun hopelessly, but at that moment, the team spirit spoke up. Another excavator quickly entered the scene, each pull, each roar. A dramatic, tense rescue. A serious accident just occurred on the highway when a massive refrigerated truck suddenly tipped over by the roadside. The incident caused a prolonged traffic jam, creating significant difficulties for vehicles. Shortly after, rescue teams arrived promptly, deploying 2 heavy cranes to handle the situation. The rescue operation was carried out professionally and swiftly, demonstrating effective coordination. However, the incident also serves as a warning about safety when traveling at high speeds to prevent unfortunate accidents. A cement mixer overturned on Deepwell Ranch Road in Prescott. The quick response of the rescue team was remarkable. They worked together smoothly, handling the massive piece of steel like it was a game. And within an hour, the truck was back on its feet, ready to roll. An impressive display of professionalism and incredible strength. MAN TGA 41.660, truck pulling Volvo E650 excavator and Caterpillar 235 conquered the dangerous 1,800-meter mountain. The steep road with continuous sharp turns required high skill and precision. The 660 horsepower engine roared powerfully. Each steering wheel turn, each braking was performed decisively and accurately. A breathtaking journey where strength, skill, and bravery converged, creating a breathtaking performance in the middle of majestic nature. On the rugged, dust-covered road, the mighty Freightliner FLB advances like a wild beast. The roar of its V8 engine fills the air, unleashing over 400 horsepower. Its solid frame, with massive wheels gripping the uneven ground, conquers each patch of dirt and rock with every press of the throttle. A machine born to dominate the wilderness. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to like and turn on the bell to not miss the latest video. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm ready to listen and respond to your opinion. Thank you for watching my video. See you tomorrow for the next part.